Hey there, today I have an outlet haul for you. So I recently went to LA and Vegas to visit my younger daughter who's going to school in LA, and then we also went to Vegas because my husband had a conference there, so I tagged along and did a little bit of shopping, not a lot this time, but I thought I found some pretty good things. Vegas does have a couple outlet malls, and I went to the big one this time. And there was also an outlet mall on the way to Vegas and Barstow, and we stopped there. Okay, so even though I actually already have a lot of clothes and I was trying to be really selective, I think I did find some pretty nice things. I was very selective though, so hopefully everything I found was like things that I'll make a lot of use out of. That's one thing, with outlet shopping, I kind of find that you kind of get like carried away because you think, oh, everything's so cheap and you only have like limited time to find stuff. And yeah, so I think in the past I've ended up buying things that just because they were a good deal and then end up not using them that much. So that's why now I'm trying to be more selective. So let's see what I got, and hopefully they're good. Okay, so first off, I went to LOFT, which is one of my favorite stores, and I already do the Infinitely LOFT, the rental service. So, I was kind of trying not to buy too many things from LOFT, even though I tried on a ton of things. So I only ended up with 2 items, but I thought these were nice kind of special items, I thought. Okay, so first off, I got this skirt. And yeah, I know I already got a skirt very similar, but not really, from, what is that, Short Story. I did end up keeping that one. But this one is more kind of a silky material and more streamlined. So I really like this. I thought this was nice. So I got this in a size small, and the regular outlet price was $64.99, and it was marked down to $21.99, but I had a $10 birthday discount or whatever, so it came down to $19.51. So yeah, so that's not a bad price, I think, for this skirt, and I think this looks kind of nice, and less than $20. Okay, next I got this blazer. And I have a white blazer that I got from Amazon, but I find that I don't really reach for it because the sleeves are too long. So I thought this blazer was kind of cute and different. It was a little boxy, but it has this notched collar, which I think is on trend. And the sleeves were 3/4, and it has a little tie, so I don't have to mess with the sleeves. And I got it in a size medium petite, and the outlet price was $99.99. But they had it at 40% off, plus I had that $10 birthday discount, which they allocated to the items I bought. So I got it for $53.24. So not that inexpensive, but I thought this was a really pretty piece, and $53 for a blazer like this, which is fully lined and it's machine washable. So I'm hoping that this is a piece that I will be able to get a lot of use out of, and just kind of like a staple, Okay, that's what I got from LOFT. And then I also went to my other favorite, Ann Taylor. Okay, so first off, from Ann Taylor, I got 3 camisoles. And I had seen these the last time I went to that outlet, like maybe a year ago. And I thought I had thought about getting them, and then I didn't. And then I kind of wished later that I had. So these it's kind of interesting pricing. They're buy one, get 2 free, and they're $29.99, which I think is kind of expensive for a camisole, which is like this. And what I liked about these are, it does have adjustable straps, so that's good. And it has this lace, It also has lace at the bottom. So I think that would be nice if you, when you layer under a top, that a lot of my tops I get that are too low, I want to actually put like a camisole under, and I thought these were nice. And I just got them in a size small. So I got this off-white. I got this kind of a light blush color. Looks almost beige, but it's blush. And then I also got this black one. So yeah, like I think it just kind of adds something when you have just a little bit of lace peeking out instead of just like a plain camisole. So it basically came out to $10 each, which I thought wasn't bad. And I'm happy to get 3 because, you know, I think these are very basic colors that I can make use out of. So yeah, so that was the first thing I got from Ann Taylor. So kind of boring. Okay, next. I got this animal print shirt. I was kind of debating on this. I almost didn't get it. And okay, so this one I got in a size small. It says the outlet price regularly is $54.99, and I got this for $21.99. So this one was, I think it was in the clearance section, I'm pretty sure. So $21.99, regularly $54. I thought that was a good deal. And you know, I just thought, I know animal print has been around kind of a while now. I'm not sure how much longer, but it's really on trend. This is kind of like, I like that it's just black and white, and I think this would be nice with like black pants, or even with jeans, or even white pants. And then you could also, since it's just black and white, go with like a pop of color or denim jacket. But yeah, I thought this was nice, and I just got a small. Okay, next I got this blouse, and see how it has a very interesting sleeve detail, and has elastic on the sleeves, a 3/4 sleeve, and it's beautiful yellow. I love yellow. For something about this blouse kind of reminds me of Kelly Schaffner. So I don't know if you watch Kelly's channel, but I can picture her wearing this blouse. But it is really cute, and when I bought it, the woman at the cash register, she said she has the exact same blouse, and it is a newer item. So this one, okay, wait. So I got it in a size medium petite, and the outlet price is regularly $59.99, and it was discounted from that. And oh, okay, so I got it for $35.99. So you know, that's not a screaming deal. It's kind of expensive for like an outlet, but it is really cute. I mean, if I were getting this from Stitch Fix, I feel like a blouse similar would be about close to $60. So yeah, I thought this was a good find. Very springish. I'm ready for spring, actually. Oh, and next I got this top, and it's kind of a houndstooth, I think, what it's called. It has kind of a boat neck. Just a basic knit top, and I got it in a size medium. I kind of like to size up when it's like this kind of knit top, because I don't like things to be too clingy. And the outlet price on this was $49.99, and got it for $17.99. So this one they had, I think, an additional discount. So it was in I think it was in the clearance section too. But yeah, I like this. I think this would be really nice with black pants. I think you could also wear it with white pants or jeans, and like the other top, just go with like a pop of color underneath, on top. So yeah, I thought this was cute. And I don't really have anything in this print. Okay, and next I got this very basic blouse, and it's just a typical polyester blouse. It's a size small, and the retail on this was $59.99. And you'll see it has kind of a fluttery sleeve. It has this interesting pleating in the front. Okay, the regular price was $59.99, and I got it for $35.99. Oh, so same price as the yellow top. But I don't know. I know it's a little bit boring, but I do love white tops. I thought this was very pretty and feminine. I like that it had, you know, the details with the flutter sleeve and the pleating in the front, and I just like it. I think it's just a nice staple. Okay. And oh, and lastly, I got an accessory. Usually I buy jewelry from Ann Taylor, but this time I didn't find anything. But I did find this belt. See? And it's just a basic belt. I got it in a size medium. The retail on this is $39.99, and I got it for 50% off, so it was $19.99, which is not bad. And I'm not sure if this is leather though. It doesn't feel like leather. Okay, and this is not leather. It's 100% synthetic leather. Yeah, so it's fake leather. But I don't have a light colored belt like this. So like sometimes like if I'm wearing like white slacks, you know, or certain color slacks, I feel like I don't have a belt that will go with it. Cause you know, like somehow, yeah, black, or I have like a black belt that's dressy, but I don't have a light colored belt. So I just thought I'd try this. Okay, next I stopped at JCrew Factory. It's a small bag because I only bought one thing. And I found these pants. Yeah, so these are kind of, I don't know what these are made. I think it's polyester, but let me double check. They drape nicely though, I thought. Yeah, these are 100% polyester. They have kind of an elastic in the back. It's smooth in the front. They're supposed to be cropped, so for me that means they fit about the right length. I got the size 6, and this was way in the back by the clearance, my favorite place. And I got these for $15.99. Yeah, and I think the retail price or the outlet price was $39.97, but I think even that was marked down because there's a sticker on top, and I wasn't able to peel the sticker back to see what it was, but probably less than that. No, probably more than that. So yeah, I thought these pants were kind of cool. I could wear them to work, maybe with a white top and a denim jacket, or I don't know, or even with a cardigan or something. I think they would be nice, and I don't have any pants like this. So give them a try. Still have to style them. Okay, next I got something from the Puma Store. So it was kind of towards the end of our shopping, and I just walked by the store and I saw these shoes in the window, and then I just didn't think anything. I walked by, but then they kind of, I kept thinking about them. So I circled back to that store so I could try them on. And so I got these shoes, and they're just kind of like very basic looking sneakers, but I like how they're so clean looking. I mean, and they're like a kind of a light gray beige. So instead of white sneakers, I could use these. And I thought they would work maybe even for work, you know, like since I'm in a business casual environment. So these, the regular price was $55, but they were on sale. So I got them for $39.99. So $40 for these nice looking, very clean looking shoes. I'm definitely gonna give these a try and see how they look for work. Okay, and lastly, I bought something from the Columbia store. So this was actually one of the first stores that I went into, and I've been looking for a nice warmer jacket because my younger daughter's gonna be graduating in May, and then she took a job working in Seattle. So since we're gonna be having to probably visit her in Seattle, I thought, you know, I want to find a nice jacket. So I saw this jacket, and yeah, I had seen this one, and then they had a North Face outlet too. I went to that one, but I didn't see anything I liked as much. But this one is nice, and it's kind of like a waterproof jacket. It's very clean looking. Inside it's kind of fleece, so it's soft, and it has pockets with zippers. Oh, and even the pockets feel nice and soft. Does it have any? Yeah. So it's just a very nice jacket, and I tried it in the small, but I wanted to get it a little big because, you know, if you're layering it, so I got a size medium. And this jacket, the outlet price was $80, but it was on sale, 40% off, so I got it for $48. So I thought that was actually a really good deal for this really nice jacket. And I like that, you know, since it's so lightweight, it'll be easy to pack when I go visit her. And I think that was a good find. Okay, so that's everything I got in my outlet haul this time. And you know, I think I got some pretty good deals. And also I got things that are very wearable and usable that I should be able to make use of, and things that I didn't necessarily have already. So I'm happy with what I found. Yeah, so but overall I thought I got some pretty good deals, and I had fun shopping. Actually, I really do enjoy roaming the outlets. I mean, it can be kind of tiring, but it's like a challenge, you know. We went to the North Outlet in Vegas, and that place is huge, right? So I had to have a plan. So I basically got the map, and I looked through it, and I circled all the stores that I wanted to hit. And then I did get turned around a few times, but I thought I shopped pretty efficiently. Yeah, because there's absolutely no way you can hit all the stores. I used to be able to, you know, just go store to store, but now I do targeted shopping when I hit outlets just because I don't have the stamina. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. And now let's call one of my two furry companions to help me say goodbye. And poor Sammy is not feeling well. You know, I think she might have sprained her back leg. I did take her to the vet because she was limping, but they just gave me basically anti-inflammatory meds and said that she just needs to take it easy. I guess, I don't know, poor thing. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, I can tell, you can just tell, you know, when your dog is not feeling well, and I can tell she's not feeling well. So we'll see if she wants to come and say goodbye. I'll get some treats first, though. Okay, who wants to say goodbye? Come on. You guys want to say goodbye? Have treats? Who wants treats? Come. Sammy, you want to come too? Okay, here's Kaya. Sammy's just, I think Sammy's just going to stay over there. You want to, here, you can have a treat, Sammy. Yeah, she's lying down, and I don't want to disturb her. But here's Kaya. Kaya's doing good. Yeah, Kaya? Yeah. Okay. There you go, sweetie. Aww. And yeah, Sammy's just looking over here. Okay, but that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.